Hello,
Hi, Sarah. It's Anup
how are
here
you?
from India. It's so nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you as well.
What
Uh,
happened? Were you busy? I was waiting for you to join.
yes, I had other lessons that were one student was
Okay.
late, and another student was late, and another student was late. So then it makes my whole schedule a little later. So I apologize.
Right. A tutor told me that if one student gets late, so it affects
The rest,
the
yes,
another
the
one.
rest of the
Right.
classes for the day. So I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Because it's not your fault, but because it happens automatically, right?
Yes, yes, I can't control the timing on the program. So
Right. And what's your time now?
it is 2:48 p.m. in Italy,
Okay.
in Rome, Italy.
And it's quarter past 7 here.
Oh, okay. Yes. So have you already had dinner?
No, no, not yet, but we
Okay.
will because
Oh.
we do it around 9 p.m.
Oh, that's very late.
No, because we have evening time. I mean, the sunset time is around 6 p.m. something.
Huh?
That's why.
Oh, okay. But
So you can say that
for
it's
me,
an hour. It's an hour
uh,
ago, just.
okay, okay, yeah.
And
But
am I the
still,
last student?
no, not today. I have another after this and for another like 2 hours.
Okay, so you have sufficient gap
Yes,
between these
yes. Don't
conversations.
worry, don't worry. Yes, it's true.
So where are you now at this time? In Italy, as you said, or
Yes, I'm
where?
in Rome, in Italy.
Okay. And where are you from, by the way?
I am American, so
Okay.
I was born in New York,
Hmm.
but I went to high school and college in Colorado.
Okay. And when did you come here in Italy?
I came to Italy about 3 years ago, but like right
Oh,
before COVID began.
okay. So it
Yes, yeah.
was it's like in 2020 or 2019,
I think 2019,
the
the first,
last.
yes, the last part of 2019. Yeah.
Okay. That's
Yes.
cool. So you
What
came here especially for tutoring or another
um
purpose?
I came here actually because I graduated from college
Okay.
and
Here
uh
in Italy.
no in America.
Okay.
And my great grandparents came
Mm-hmm.
from Italy to America. So
Okay.
I wanted to go back to meet my distant relatives.
Okay. That's
Yes.
cool. It is
So
necessary.
yes, I thought that was a good reason to make a trip after my graduation. And then I met my boyfriend here very shortly after that. So I stayed here.
Okay, it's so cool to know about that. And and how are they, your grandparents?
My parents are divorced and live in different states in America.
Okay,
Um, yes. So,
it is
and
very normal there, right? In
yeah,
American
yeah.
culture, it is very normal
Oh, yeah.
getting divorced.
I think it's almost 50%
Yeah,
the rate of divorce in America. Yeah, it's very, very high. It's very
which is
normal.
considered very common there in their in the culture. I mean,
Yes, yeah. I think almost all of my friends' parents are divorced.
Okay, so as you told me that you are in Italy, you have
Hmm.
been here for 3 years, right?
Yes.
So what's the ratio of divorce, getting divorced
Oh,
by couples here in Italy?
In
Yeah.
Italy, it's very low.
Oh, okay, it's good.
Yes,
Just
because
like India.
yes, but I will say the rate of divorce is very low, but the rate of happy couples who are older is also very low.
Mm.
So they mostly stay together just
So it's
because
kind of
an I
similar.
yeah, they stay
It's kind
together
of
for
similar.
an idea of family, but oftentimes the husband will like cheat. That's very common. Yes. So for me, I think it's
Shocking,
probably better to get divorced. Why not just get divorced if you're not
right?
happy?
Absolutely right. It's a
Yeah.
shocking point for me, I would say, because because when you need your partner the most at the age and you are separated at that time,
Yeah.
that's why
Yeah.
it's shocking. Yeah.
So you think many couples in India are not happy, but they stay together anyway?
Uh, I would say that no, not with this every family. Okay,
Okay. Yeah, of
not
course.
with
In
every
general.
family. Yes, but you're right. And this way, you're right that there are some of them who are together, but they are unhappy being
Mm,
together. So it is true,
yeah.
but
And they're more
but
for the children.
but they don't give divorce. Okay,
Mhm.
so it's you can say that it's like you are doing your best in the relationship, or you can say that you are committed to it, that we will be together,
Ah,
whatever will happen doesn't matter, but we'll be together. So this is something like that.
I see, I see. Yeah, like you are miserable, I am miserable, but we are committed.
But you know one thing, Sarah, there are not very serious issue. Okay, there are some issues that can be solved easily, but there are not
Okay.
serious issues which leads to divorce.
Okay. Do people often go oh, oh wait, hang on. You are breaking up a little bit.
Sarah, okay, let me
Oh, it will
connect.
come back. Okay, okay. Now it's fine.